Let me just simplify the expression a little bit to make me feel better, okay? To make us feel better. So notice that this right here, let's do some algebra right here. This is n equals 1 to infinity. And this is just n squared times, this is 2 to the n. And of course, we can just say that's multiplied by 2 to the second power. And on the bottom, if you would like, 4 is the same as 2 times 2. So we can look at this as 2 to the n times 2 to the n. And the point is that I want to get rid of these two things. That's much better. And in the end, we see that this right here, we have 4 right here, right? And depends on how you want to do it. Maybe if you want to put a 4 in the front, or maybe we can do this. The sum as n goes from 1 to infinity. Maybe you will see a question like this on the test. N squared times 2 to the 2 minus n power. This right here is weirder, but you have to remember the rule of exponents, of course. But anyway, the point is that you have to just kind of play around with this expression before you do anything, the usual thing. Here's the deal. Let's do it by the ratio test. N is in their power, and this is not really geometric because of the n squared. The truth is it will converge. But anyway, here's the deal. As n goes to infinity, and of course, forgot the word check. We check as n goes to infinity, capital letter, capital N, capital A, n goes to infinity. All right, first of all, I want to have all the, well, take the absolute value first. And then all the m's becomes n plus 1. So we have this right here being n plus 1 square. And of course, you have to know this is the same as that. I just want to show you guys this might be the question on the test. So we'll put this down right here times 2 to the 2 is 4. Come on, right? This right here is of course 4, but that's 4, right? This right here is 4 over 2, and we'll just put down n plus 1. Okay, times the reciprocal. So I will look at 2 to the n first on the top, and we do that over this and that. So let's put a 4 first. Like seriously, why did I just write down as a 4 and then n squared like this? Okay. Now here is the deal. This right here, we can do what? Yeah, 2 to the n times 2 to the first. Cancel, cancel. Very, very nice. Let's carry the 4 already, seriously. Okay, now let's do the algebra. And when we do the algebra, we will see that this right here is equal to the top. Everything's positive again. It's just n plus 1 squared over 2 n squared, like this. This time, again, the powers right here, that's finite. So truth is, this right here is just going to be 1, and then you have the 2, so altogether is 1/2. But if this is n, you have to use the fact. Anyway, just to show you, this right here, we can actually multiply it out. And let me just do it right here. This is the same as saying n squared plus 2n plus 1. Take this, take that, so you get 1/2. Done. And the beauty is that this right here, we are doing the ratio test. Okay. Hopefully you guys didn't see it. This right here is less than 1, so we can draw conclusion because again we're using the ratio test. Very, very nice. So this right here converges by the ratio test, like that.